First and foremost, what Christmas means to me is acknowledging the birth of Jesus Christ. He is the reason for the season. I made this nativity a few weeks ago using a bank, contact paper, an ornament, and branches from my yard. Thank you so much, Theresa B, for including me in this collab, and I hope you enjoy the rest of the DIYs in this video. Okay, first I started with 2 sauce bowls from Dollar Tree. They come for $4 in a pack. I added bright red apple barrel matte paint to the inside. Okay, so now that everything is dry, I want to use these stencils, and I'm gonna pull off faith and hope and apply them around here and here. I needed my glass pen to go over some of the lettering that didn't come out. And the same result with the other side. I had to fill it in. For the top part of the bell, I want to use this floral wire. I'm going to attach it with Fix-All and let it get tacky. Okay, I snipped off just a bit more of the floral wire, and this should be tacky so that this can go right into it. Yes, it is. Okay, so I'm gonna let this sit up and dry. Okay, the glue has thoroughly dried on this. So the final thing I wanna do is just add a piece of cording to the top, since it is supposed to be a bell, and to really go along with the original inspiration photo. Christmas also means not just faith in God, but faith in humanity, and a hope that we can live in a more peaceful world, and a hope for the future. Okay, so I'm going to use this family sign and Mod Podge on this pretty tartan gift wrap. This was my mother's absolute favorite. Every year we always had this type of ribbon around, and this really just brings back so many childhood memories, and that's probably why it's one of my favorite plaids for Christmas, and it just gives me warm fuzzy feelings of childhood, and it makes me happy and just reminds me of family time when I was growing up, and just makes me more appreciative of what we did, the time we did have together. And now that we're separated because of COVID, it just makes me want to go back to those days. So this really, family, this really in a nutshell, this is what Christmas means: being with your family, being with your loved ones. So I'm gonna apply some Mod Podge to my sign, and then put my gift wrap paper over it, and then I'm gonna cut it out. I'm gonna seal it with Mod Podge now. Okay, and the Mod Podge is dry, and I did go back and paint the sides red. I should have did that in the first place, but oh well. And to finish it off, I want to add some of this glistening greenery and a cardinal to the very top.